Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Teespring for merchandise revenue setup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Teespring or Spring and hit enter. Locate the official Teespring website in the search results. Click on the link to navigate to the Teespring homepage. Once on the homepage, look for the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. Fill in the required fields including your email address and a strong password. After entering your information, click the Create Account button. Once registered, you'll receive a verification email. Open your email inbox and find the verification message from Teespring. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Return to the Teespring website and log in using your new account credentials. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To set up merchandise, click on the Create button to start designing. Choose the type of merchandise you wish to create, such as t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies. Select your desired product type and color. Use the design tool to add graphics or text to your product. Adjust the placement and sizing of your design as needed. Once satisfied, click on the Continue button. You will now see options for pricing and revenue settings. Set your desired profit margin for each item sold. After adjusting your settings, click Publish to make your merchandise live. You can share the link to your store or promote it on social media. Keep track of your earnings through the dashboard. To manage your products, return to the dashboard whenever needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.